I did it again. Yep, I just couldn't let it be. I could not let it be. You know, I picked up this 70 some model, 78 through 70, was 72, 70, I'm not sure, but it's the round headlight body style truck. It's a C20, C30, got the tool bed, long wheelbase, and heavy duty suspension and stuff. I couldn't let it be. It was affordable, and I didn't need it, but then I needed it because we got a C30 here on the channel, LS Swapped. If you're new, check it out. Got a whole playlist. And honestly, my excuse was spare parts. And we got plenty. And what we don't use, we can sell on eBay to help other people that might be fixing one of these up. Because check this truck out. I mean, it's low miles too. Just check it out. Old school fire truck. Look at this. OEM parts. Look at this grill. Looks pretty good. Besides, it has this one thing right here broke out, which is kind of sad. But somebody might want this grill and cut these out. I don't know. It's OEM though. Looks good. Look at that bumper. That bumper's gonna look good on the C30 if it fits. I think it should fit. It looks like it would fit. I think it'll fit. It's a little different shape than this bumper. This is one of those smooth bumpers you paint that comes best deal from like LMC catalogs. I just think this would be a pretty bumper. I don't know. Comment below what you think. Should we change bumpers up? That's the bottom part of the grill. So I'll show you what's under the hood. How you pop the hood on this. Okay. Heavy hood. Ugh. Here we go. The carburetor went on another project already. It had a quadrajet on it. It ain't been off too long. This thing runs smooth. It's got a 350, I would say. I don't think it would be a 400 or anything like that. Could be though. I ain't ran the numbers. Wait, they didn't have 400s back in this year, did they? Not sure. Chevy with the small box, it's just all over the place. It's got the Hydro Boost on it. Got a nice windshield motor. The C30 needs some windshield motor. Some nice hood hinges. Look, the hood's not bent. The fenders. Look at that. Fenders look pretty good, don't they? They feel good. Got a little... Nope, that ain't rust. That's just trees or something growing on it. The wiper cowl is gone on this truck, though. You see that? Cab's pretty rough shape. There's a draw the spring. Put that in the bench tray here. This fender's good too. Just some paint peeling. We got some nice hubcaps for the C30. Check it out. I like those a lot, actually. Got some OEM badges. You can see it's an old fire truck here with the tool bed. The cool thing about the tailgate is it's actually going to go up in a building. It's hanging up in a fire rescue building. It's actually going to one of my friends that's works for the fire department. He wanted something off his truck. He thought it was cool. So he's going to get the tailgate and he's going to hang it up, you know, for display. It was either the tailgate or the door. And we need the doors. Because the doors is pretty rust free. And they OEM. Also, we needed this trim. But what I actually wanted was the guts out of these doors. The aftermarket doors fits like crap, you can see, and the glass and stuff just don't fit like an OEM, because all this glass and stuff is aftermarket. This ain't OEM. Let's go ahead and jump inside. And these doors is heavier feeling than the aftermarket ones on that C30. The locker panel, as I said, in the cab is killed. We do got a rubber floor mat here. I might put the format in. I don't know, it's tore. Let me see. We got a shifter boot, SM465. It's super tight. Look at this. Feels good. Got a little play, but all in all, it's pretty good. Dash pad, seen better days, of course. You know, door panels, looks pretty good. Kick panels. What's in the dashboard? Rust. Of course it is. Oh, look at these gauges. And that's the original miles. 45,000 miles. Look at the pedals. I got them muddy. Ain't got no brakes. Figured that out last night loading it. I also had to break the steering up because the cylinder was pretty much frozen. Or I just didn't have the right key. Snatch block to the low back. Look at this seat. Has one tailpiece. That's sad. It's blue though. Is it really sad? This look better black. I don't know, black with diamond stitch. The frame looks okay underneath. You can see. Did I put that in gear? Last thing I need is just go down to the shop. It'll roll all the way down to the shop. That'd be catastrophic. It'll land in the bottom, but still. Nope, never mind. It will land into the Jeep. Is that big wheel in? Spare for the C30. Well, you can see there's a lot of parts on this. A lot of these will be on my eBay store. Link in the description below. It's a very cool truck. But of course, I'm going to get what I want off of it first. But every now and again, as I take stuff off, I will go ahead and list it. And usually I make videos too of removing stuff. Just in case, you know, you're replacing something on your truck. Information on these old cars and stuff is hard to come by too. And I'm the more the visual person. You can tell me in the book how to take it off. Or you can just show me. And you show me, I'm less likely to break it. Yep, that's me. So I'm going to close this hood. Does it close? Oh no. I'm going to gently massage this hood down so I don't bend it. Because these is common to bend. Right here. Yep. People don't grease the hinges, and this been setting for decades. So we ain't seen no grease or oil or anything in that matter. But it did pull like a kitten. We sprayed some starter fluid and poured some gas down the carburetor. Just balked right off. If it had brakes, you could drive it. I mean, you could drive it without brakes. So I'm just saying. And we needed air in the tires. But yeah, what it is. I wish the carburetor's on something now, and it's getting used. I don't know how good it's going to hold up, because it wasn't rebuilt. It just come off this, and it's been sitting forever. Probably get a few fuel cycles run through it and just stop pouring the gas. You know how it is with these old stuff. It's like this thing's been sitting. You know, what's going to happen? You say we take this motor out, put it in something. Water pump's going to start leaking probably within a couple 100 miles. Alternator probably go out within a couple 500-600 miles. And you're going to be replacing all that because they just set and seals go bad, stuff ages. The motor's going to be sound. It just, all the accessories is going to be questionable. And yeah, the mirrors are gone. They actually got tuck off. We're going to put them on the 7.3 white rollback, which you should see on the videos if you subscribed. It's been a while since it's been featured on the channel. It's at the shop. It's got brakes and stuff on it now again. Line went bad and the master cylinder went bad. And it's one of those trucks that settings got it. Just like any old project. But we took the mirrors because it needed mirrors. It had the broken mirrors and stuff. And these was a universal mirror kit. I mean, they would have probably suited the C30 too. But, you know, I got mirrors. C30's up and going. White rollback needs mirrors. So, you know, We took the wheels, donated them to the white wowback, and that should get here to tuck cable you can see behind you. And I'm rambling on. I know this video should have ended a few minutes ago. Thank you if you stayed this long. Get subscribed if you're new. Check the eBay store out in the description below. Might be some parts for this listed now. Don't know yet. And see you next time.